We started with a pretty simple idea to make the shopping experience with the reusable packaging more convenient. Ideally, it replaces an enormous amount of single-use packaging. We realize that if we really want to solve the problem, we have to work through the whole supply chain. We provide this container to brands or to producers. The moment it's filled with the product, it gets to the retailer's floor. The dispenser recognizes the product, can set the optimal way to dispense it. So we pick up the empty capsule and we take it to our cleaning centers. We call it a MIWA cup. It's equipped with the smart technology, and the shopper can open the dispenser with it. So when you open the dispenser, it also sends the data from the capsule to the cup. So once you buy the product and you use it at home, you can immediately have all the information about the product. You can have all the inspiration for cooking, and a brand can engage with the shopper and provide benefits. Next time when you come, you can have a personalized product. Nestlé is one of our first innovation partners. They are actually using this container we developed, and they are helping us to develop it further. For us, it's very important to test the product we have designed. Everything we do is about gaining knowledge to evolve our product.